Welcome to the mix. Now, on the mix, we have Lady V as she talks about Lorraine and, allegedly that she spat in the food that was given to Maxine and Maxine's grandkids. So now she's saying that it's not right for someone to spit in, another person's food, and she expected, better because if Lorraine did it, she had Lorraine at a higher esteem. And she didn't believe that, Lorraine would have done it. But if Lorraine had done it, she needs to come forward and also to apologize to Maxine about the situation. So just watch the video and please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And also remember to leave your business name down below.
In the food. Anybody heard and I said that? And didn't I say I don't actually believe Lorraine spat in the food? I think she said it more to upset Maxine. Did anybody hear when I said that? And I said even if she didn't and she say that for the sake of peace, she should just apologize and said she just said it to cause hurt. But it didn't happen. Nobody heard and I said that. So where is downtown mildew coochie? In a Melchimi, when him Shernet Chambers come up from, say she come for me. Girl, I don't know if there's still like a peninsula in the house at night or what time. I must say the venereal clinic like here. Move from yourself. Move! You don't go over to Lorraine page and tell her, Lorraine, if you're spotting the food, you are wrong. You don't go over to Lorraine and say, Lorraine, I like you, I watch you, and I admire you, and I like what you do when you do what you do over here. But this is not right. Did you go over to Lorraine and say, Lorraine, I'm wondering if what I'm hearing is the truth, because I'm hearing these things talk about all of that. Why didn't you say that? The bottom line is not that nobody is saying she did what we didn't see. That's why I keep saying if. Y'all hear how much me say if. Because I said, I felt that Lorraine would not do that. How many persons were listening when I said that? In my mind, to the way how me see Lorraine and the way how me owe Lorraine in my mind, based on the relationship that I see she have with her grandson, I don't believe Lorraine would have spat in the food. And that's why I said if she did, she disappointed me, because I held her to a higher esteem. Anybody heard when I said that if Lorraine in fact spat in the food, she disappointed me, because Ivaline had held her Lorraine to a higher standard. I never thought that it was something that she would have done. And when I went further to say I don't necessarily believe she did it, I think she's saying she did just because she's trying to hurt Maxine's feeling. Anybody heard when I said that? So that's the point. You shouldn't spit in anybody's food. It is not fear. It is not. Someone in no sense. My sister, someone need to go back a Jamal or go back in a grade one. Someone really done. We don't comments. And you say if you're not right, nobody won't know so on done. But when you're not right, you want to show the whole world. So really done. All right. So this is the point that I'm making. If somebody spat in someone's food, is it right? If it was your child or your grandchild, would you feel good about it? That's all I'm asking you. If somebody spit in your food or in your grandkids' food, would it be okay with you? Would you feel like it is okay? And that is why I said I am not of the opinion that she would have spat in the food, because I watched her with her grandbaby and I kind of use something to make a judgment that if she can be this way with her grandkids, I think she like kids. I think she, so I wouldn't see Lorraine as a woman that would have spit in a food for kids. For anybody for that matter. Because I never see Lorraine as a bad person. She's fighting whatever fight she's fighting for whatever cause we may not agree with, we may not know. But that's her thing over there. We can't beat her for her opinion or positions or whatever. The thing is, if you spit in the food, that's low. If you spit in the food, that is low. That is what I said. And as I said, if she do it, she must just come out and apologize. If she just say it, come out and apologize. And if she just say it, just come out and apologize, make the lady know, so I just talk, she that talk up her mouth. Give the people them ease. Because if you feel like you got things say, so the bottom line as it stands is, if Lorraine spat in the food, it was not nice. Fair enough? Anybody food, no matter how you and somebody no get along, no talk, no agree, you should never do that to them. That is what I call evil. That is what I call wicked. That is what I call horrible. That is what I call ugly. That is what I call satanic. To spit in a meal that you know someone else is going to consume. That cannot be right. Cannot be right. You understand? So bottom line, as I'm saying it here, is as simple as this. We don't know what happened with this food story, but it would be nice as Lorraine, as a grown woman, to simply come out and say, me see drunk for Lorraine to just come out and say, you know, Maxine, me say it, but a joke me dear make. And me never really spit in my food. Just come out and get that out the way, so people who love and respect you and watch you can continue back to regular programming, knowing that maybe you just did or said something out or did or said something sick. But if you don't do that, those persons who love you, those persons who watch you, those persons, yeah, she kind of slow. Those persons who watch you is gonna now start to look at it like, what kind of person is? If you're capable of having a problem with a friend, can remember she and what's her name was friends, you know, they were close, she confided in her and everything. So a person's gonna say, so wait, if me and the woman that get close and she come around me could left me drink at the table.